it's used by all the racing sailors. You know, all the Volvo Ocean Race boats are using it. They are developing this equipment, testing it, giving feedback, coming up with new ideas and features. And it doesn't mean that the cruising sailors have to start racing, but the racing sailors have one difference, and that is that they're always sailing. They're sailing 24 hours a day for months and months and months. So the number of hours they spend pushing the buttons on a B&G piece of equipment is so much more than a cruising sailor will ever get to. And they're using it much more active. They're pushing the limits of the capacity of the instrument. So I think that makes B&G very different, because their equipment just get tested in so tough conditions by people who are very demanding. And when then you get to use it as a cruising sailor, you have something that's very reliable. I think reliability is very, very key, in particular with everything you have outdoor. You know, one thing is the waterproofness, but just things that always works, that have the right protection around it. It has been smacked by rope so many times. B&G knows that if you put the instrument on the mast, you know, it's going to be able to handle a lot of rough use, and you need to protect it in the right way. I see some new instruments coming on the market today that has no protection around the edges, and I know that it's only going to take one sheet that's going to smack it from the side and it's going to be gone. That it is a pure sailing brand. So it's kind of developed by sailors, and it has been developed by sailors over years.